This is a quick tutorial on how to navigate LR10. This is the landing page for LR10. Everything you need in the course exists here on this page. First, some things that you want to pay attention to. Always read the announcements. This is where I will update you on things going on in the class and questions you might all be having, all that sort of stuff. The syllabus for the course is over here. Definitely want to read that. This will go through a course description, what our student learning outcomes are, participation and attendance, outside of class homework expectations, passing and failing, how your grade is made up, late work policy, and accessibility statement. Your home key will always take you back to this main landing page. On the first day of class, you want to come in and make sure that you mark yourself as here, and then you're going to come here and introduce yourself. The Let's Get Started portion of the course has a lot of information about the course and, most importantly, how to get help from me. This will have my information and my email, as well as information about how to get help from the other librarians at SCC. Another thing that is available in this section, in the introduction, is the class calendar, which is printable. I highly recommend printing it up and keeping it somewhere where you see it often, as well as links to how to download the apps for Canvas onto your phone or tablet. The app is very helpful for getting notifications. Here are some guides on how to set your notification settings in Canvas. This is helpful for when I post an announcement, or when something is graded, or when you have a due date coming up. Okay, so we've made it through the introductory items. Now we are going to start into Unit 1. To complete a unit, you start here at the top and you begin with the introduction. Read through the introduction, click Next. Then you read the lecture and watch whatever videos have been posted. Another lecture, read through, watch the videos. And then you will come to a discussion. Make sure you read the directions. This is very important for doing well. I recommend cutting and pasting the directions into your document software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and then responding in that document, and then copying and pasting your response back into the reply button. This way, if something happens with your technology, you won't lose your work. It's also easier to edit that way. Once you've completed the discussion, you'll come to your first quiz. The quizzes in LR10 are unlimited time, and you can take them as many times as you want until you get it right. Our goal here is to be low stress and supportive. Once you've completed all the items, you'll see that you start to get these check marks. Once you've completed a unit, taking note of the due dates, you're going to then start on the next unit. and so on and so forth until the very end of the course, which will be a final project, which is yet to be published. Another item you want to keep an eye on is your gradebook. Here you can see due dates and also that I have yet, as a test student, to complete any of my assignments. You can tell that I have yet to complete these assignments by these dashes. There will be a different icon there once you've completed the assignment. Once I grade the assignment, your grade will come up and there will be another icon that will have my comments. Make sure that you read the comments that I leave you, as these will help you build on your skill set. Lastly, I want you to be very careful of only using the to-do list to navigate through the course. All these are assignments, none of which you can do without reading the lectures. So although it's helpful to see what you have coming up, this is not where you're going to navigate the course. To navigate the course and read the lectures, you need to come here to the units. Make sure you stay in touch. If you run into any trouble, get a hold of me. I will do what I can to help you out. Make sure you're logging in often. Make sure you're reading the announcements. Keep an eye on the due dates. And have a good time.